Want to print your own washable clothing labels using a printer? If this is your first time printing clothing label material, you can follow this video to learn how to do it. Start by designing your labels using design software. When you're ready, simply place your label material on the printer and print. Once printed, you can cut with a professional cutter if you have one. Then peel off the backing along the edge and apply directly to the fabric. These labels require no ironing, no sewing, just press. K2's clothing label material has been proven in practice and can be washed at least 30 times. Great K2's clothing labels are suitable for all fabrics and environments. For example, clothes, cups, stationery, etc.